Hey everyone, I'm going to walk you through how easily you can automate the entire sales order processing workflow using Agent PO. This sales agent can handle everything from managing RFQs and conducting contract reviews to processing incoming purchase orders. Many of you likely have a small team manually processing hundreds of purchase orders from over 100 customer accounts. Right now, that team is likely spending countless hours sifting through emails, extracting order details, entering them into the ERP manually, and validating contracts. This traditional process is slow, labor-intensive, and prone to errors. Let's see how Agent PO can transform this process while sitting in your inbox and integrating with your ERP. When you receive an RFQ, you need to structure it in your system to generate a quote, typically a manual task. But here's how it would work with Agent PO. Here on the platform, you can see that it has already identified and picked up an RFQ that has reached your inbox. Clicking on the alert shows how Agent PO has intelligently structured all the communications from the customer. It has the capability to extract information from the email copy, documents, and replies. And in this instance, from the RFQ PDF itself. On the right-hand side, the extracted data is neatly structured for easy review. You can then push this data to your ERP to generate a quote. If the ERP system generates the quote manually, this process can also be automated. Let's say we've now decided to push this data to the ERP. What happens next? Next up on the platform, you'll notice an action item labeled Send Attached Quote for this specific RFQ. Clicking on it shows that the agent has already created the quote by connecting to the ERP, gathered all the necessary documents, and drafted the outgoing message. Your role is simply to review it. You have the option to review the details on the right-hand side as well. If you're happy with the template, you can hit send and it will go directly from your inbox. Additionally, you can set up an automation to receive an alert to follow up with customers when a quote nears expiry and there's still no customer response picked up. Once again, the templated email is ready to be sent. You can make any edits if needed and press send. Let's move on to the next big step, which is then processing a received purchase order. In the alerts view, we've got a customer PO come in. Clicking on it reveals all our previous communications with this customer in the middle, organized in one place. Regardless of format, PDF, Excel, or email body, Agent PO can detect a customer PO in your communications and automatically extract key information. On the right-hand side, you can view this extracted information, including the PO number, customer contact info, documents, and detailed line item specifics. Whatever fields your ERP requires are mapped out on the right, automatically extracted from the original purchase order, which we can easily view over here in one central place instead of hunting for it. If everything matches the contract, you can proceed by clicking Create Order, and the data will be sent to your ERP. However, if there's a discrepancy, like a pricing or payment term mismatch, Agent PO flags it instantly and generates an alert. Here, the agent has highlighted two discrepancies between the PO and the contract. On the right, you can see exactly where the discrepancy is, and you also have access to the original documents. In the middle, there's a drafted email requesting confirmation or clarification from the customer. With semi-automation enabled, your task is just to review the templated email and send it. As you gain confidence in the agent's capabilities, you can set it for full automation, allowing follow-ups to happen automatically. Now, what if critical fields like delivery dates or payment terms are absent from the PO? Agent PO detects that as well. For instance, here's an alert indicating a missing delivery location and payment terms, requiring your intervention. On the right-hand side, you can either send a follow-up or also click Add Details to see what's missing. Once the missing details are obtained and everything is verified, you can click Update Order to push this data into your ERP with just one click, eliminating manual data entry. After the quote is accepted, the PO is received, and the order is created, Agent PO can then assist with sending order acknowledgements. Depending on your workflow, this can occur in two ways. If your ERP handles automatic acknowledgements, Agent PO monitors the process. Otherwise, Agent PO drafts the acknowledgement and follows up with the customer for you. With semi-automation enabled, you only need to review the draft and send it. This is how Agent PO automates your entire sales order processing, even across more than 100 customer accounts.